Scott, you talk about a $350 billion cycle of nuclear investment that could occur between now and 2050, partially propelled by everything that's happening on the AI front. So to kick us off, can you just give us some of the high level takeaways that you would want folks to know about where nuclear could be headed in the US and more broadly?
Sure. So, the way I'd kind of characterize the report and our call is kind of like prudently optimistic. I know that's a common phrase, but look, saying that this is actually going to happen in and of itself, I think the market obviously is anticipating that. But look, there was a false start with nuclear about 15, 20 years ago. And the risks and costs associated with nuclear, are very substantial. And so, we're saying this is going to happen for real. That's the, kind of bullet point number one. But bullet point, number and the numbers we're talking about, a 60% increase in nuclear capacity is a big number. And $350 billion is the cost of that. And I can get into some details about what's behind that number. But those should be taken within the context of Donald Trump calling for a quadrupling of nuclear capacity from 100 to 400 gigawatts, right? So 60% versus 400%, make of that what you will. And then also, we're saying we don't expect a commercial ramp up in the small modular reactors, which we expect to account for the lion's share of the capacity additions to occur until 2035 to 2040. And that compares with some of the comments you're hearing from the SMR companies, which Gabby follows more closely, calling for a ramp up between 2030 and 35, and for some proof of success before 2030 even. And so while we're calling for this to happen and we're expecting substantial growth, take it within the context of some of those guideposts that are out there in the marketplace.
Fantastic.